Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing and comparison of the new for 2021 Amazon Fire HD10. This is of course the cover, so the 11th gen of the HD10 here. And we'll also compare this to the old case as well. So it should basically be the same, but the tablet for this year looks a bit different. So you have the built-in stand, of course, that you can move two different ways, so like that or like that. Of course, I'll show that off here. I love Amazon's simplistic yet nice looking packaging here. Rip that off. Makes it very easy to get in and out of. And then I have the denim cover here, so it's a nice blue. The smiley face there. And it shows you how you can bend it and put your tablet in there. So you say horizontal or vertical. And of course we get the spot for, thought it was broke for a second there. I have a spot for your camera there. So the entire thing is nice and blue, so that's cool. Nice feel to it, just like the old ones. I am a bit disappointed. This for the 2020 HD8s and HD8 Plus. They had the cool National Geographic cases. But for this year, they don't have that. At least not yet. So this bends. And you don't have it like that. Of course, when the tablets in here will be better. Have it like that, or you can have it like this. So I think these are my favorite cases out of any tablet cases. They're super nice. This is plastic. This is actually the fabric. And there's your little smiley face down there. And then you will get with the dual speakers, just like on the HD8 from last year. The sound hit that and kind of come back towards you instead of just going out into nowhere land. So that's very nice. Then here is the case from last generation. So for the 2019 Fires. Mine is a bit beat up now. This one is, can't remember, what do they call this one? Charcoal or something like that? But it's the black. So you can see the camera is going to be in a different spot now, of course. Of course, they had to change it up so you cannot use the old case. And then to this one, the speakers just kind of came at an opening here, so it just kind of went into nowhere. Or again, on the new one, you have it where it'll kind of come back towards you. So it should make the sound a little bit better. If it actually helps, I don't know. But that's what it's supposed to be for. Otherwise, it has the same. Mine is definitely been deflated over time. It doesn't really work out so well anymore. But again, it's been a few years since I've had this. At least a couple years. So. And then you can see because the new dimensions of the tablet. The old one's a bit taller. And that up a bit better there. And I think the new one will be a little bit wider though. So this is the 2019 version of the tablet. And of course it will not fit into this new case. It's too big. Just like the new version of the tablet will not fit into the old case because the case is going to be too big. And this is going to be too wide. So the new tablet will be too wide for that. So if you do have the 2019 version, or buy yourself the 2019 version, do not buy yourself the new version of the case. And vice versa. So. And then a couple differences here. This one has a smiley face. The other one has Amazon. And then the little smiley face underneath it. And same with the inside here. You have Amazon, little smiley face. Where the new one has the smiley face. And then again, the camera is in over here instead of over there. Otherwise, they look pretty much the same. Again, and the dimensions are a bit different. And of course, my colors are different. Do stay tuned to my channel. I'm gonna be making a crazy amount of different videos once I actually get the new tablet here. I have about 10 plus videos with comparisons, unboxings, setup, all that good stuff, reviews that I'm going to be making. So do stay tuned to my channels. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of coverage on the new hd10 and hd10 Plus. I ordered both of them from Best Buy. I should be coming either today or tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. As always, I appreciate you watching. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.